Yake siyabonga sithi kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo khiri banna rigeni jwale ke tsori pastor give muriti gift banna the man oruthi ngibona believe it or not is the one who's cooking the storm, who's cooking the magic. If you see us on your beautiful screen, this is the man behind the gems. I know khurufilo ke leadership ka man, leadership idula ipatile watla Morena Chivat. Yeah, inkosi yasevenda. Yes, I want things zoyibeka la. Muruti Gift.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he happens to be Muruti Gift. Muruti Gift. Are you married, Muruti?
No.
Yeah, single-minded.
I'm still looking.
You're still looking. Muruti, upalanza kanjani Muruti? You are too old for indlo. Busha indlo Muruti.
No. Muruti, if I can tell you my age, you'll be surprised.
Yeah, talk to me, Muruti.
Yeah, I'm the youngest one in the team.
In the family?
Yes.
Yeah, that makes you how old?
So, probably 20s late.
Yeah. Yabona ke manje abantu bayithatha lethethe lika Muruti kuthela Muruti akubahleke dan room. Muruti bakhulu bamthayile. Or in late 20s.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a grace of God.
Bank leader gift.
Unfortunately, I just bought a small babe recently, so
yeah,
it's empty.
A baby flesh or a baby zenke because good
a baby.
Oh, a Shmovan.
Yeah.
Congratulations, leader gift. No,
Thank you, sir.
Send Studios is paying well, chief.
Yeah,
they are paying well.
Gifted media, say.
Oh yeah. Leader Chivat.
The podcast.
Hey, now man, put some root because zokhama nge mic namhlanje.
Yeah, because you said we are patara, so you're making sure.
Free conversation. Hey, we sound like Bekji and the Solomon. Usolomzi yabona masikhuluma kanje kwi free flow ngabajita ngishanga phathi kunokwalalela ngithi yazi la out lawa yabona makungena filter yonke lefike ekhanda bayakhuluma awuthi yami you are very blessed ukuthi uhlala nabantu who are blessing the nation, which is Baruti. Let's talk about your work, you're just going to greet them, just give them full names.
Yes.
Umruti Gift, what makes you tick, and currently senza in before because now. But most importantly, I know Uguti, you are the one who's making sure Uguti is into ziyarana behind the scenes.
Yes. Let me greet our viewers. Ikamangu Gift Mabunda. Yes. I think I want to say Uguti, I'm really blessed. Uguti uNkulunkulu ngamthola in my youngest age as before high school. So which means now I'm counting almost 13 years serving God, not being born again, but preaching the gospel of God in schools, in street, in funerals, different places. So I think I'm blessed because I received Christ in a very, very young age, whereby it was not a force which receive Jesus, but it was a must. I don't know what to say, but I would say it was not a force, but it was a must because there was no any hope or any where I can depend. If without Christ, Christ was the only thing that I can choose for my Uguti.
You lost my people. You lost my people there. Maybe we lost you. Network one miss call.
Okay.
Not being born again. So I just want you to underline. What do you mean? It's been 13 years serving God, but not being born or being a born again. Because
okay. I'm trying to say Uguti serving God. I'm being born again before. I'm born again.
Yeah.
I think there's someone who say 10 years in Sindisiwe, but 5 years in saving. But for me, I was already born again. Then after that, I serve. So which means I'm born again, but I'm counting years serving God, working for the kingdom of God. Because you can be born again, but not functioning in the ministry or doing anything for Christ.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you are trying to bring it closer to people, the issue and the importance yobu born again, and then ngifuna ukuphila lempilo bathi kuno before Christ, and then bese kuba nempilo manje after so umtholile uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi. Umehluko umuntu oziphilela nje impilo yakhe nje nawe njengoba uthi you are born again. Nabantu abadala mfethina sishaye hubly, and then when awuhleli phansi mfundisi, you are not offended. You know, when we opened mina ngi-free useso mfundisi omncane, and I ask you about izinto ezabantu abasha abaphila esonweni. So I know ukuthi you are not taking offense ngokusukela nje ngamabomu ngokungena kuleyo subject. So now umehluko ke Mruti ngifuna ukuthi size intwana ezincane because ziyayiphilela intwana kunzima kuyi up and down whether ngafa umuntu aba understand lento yesono ukudla isono.
I think what I would say ukuthi it different and to not be born again, ama result are the one that are the most probably low, the huge problem, because ungabi born again, unama result amaning which are very bad. Izinto like esikhuluma, like for example, end up being in the against the wall, those testimonies.
Yeah, Chief, what are you saying now?
Yeah, you would end up being one of the, not saying it's a bad thing,
Yeah.
at least those who are against the wall, they already passed through, but you end up even like being in like endaweni eziningi sometimes ukuthi abazali bethu Mr. Skim abasitshela iqiniso. No, being born again actually it's not mean ukuthi kunento ehlukile kunawo, but you become different than other people. Okusho amagama wena usuke uhluka. But then after being born again, it helps us to listen, because most of the main thing abantu intsha yethu elahlekayo ukulalela, whereby we end up being we're taking wrong decisions because singalaleli. So I think to be born again, it helps us to listen ukuthi mabethi gift 1 to 3. Because of being born again, discipline is there, and also I'm able to listen.
But what are those things that one akhona ukuzifunda in the kingdom, living in Christ in the ministry? What are those things that you take out, or what you take away as a Christian? Because abantu bayakutshela ukuthi no, even ngaba yi-boys brigade ngiyenza ama-scout, they would always teach me discipline. So what is the difference then when you are in the kingdom? What are those key elements that one really uzothi, no, this is what I boast as umzalwane, and I know ukuthi besides ukuthi, no, I'm covered by the blood, but there should be those things also, no, these ones are significant. You can never find them if ungapha kwa Habli. You can only enjoy them maungapha.
I think one of the most stinky piece oyitholayo uma ukule kingdom actually, because as you say ukuthi abanye banazo bazothi hayi mina nginakho kulunga nginani, but kune difference ukuba in the kingdom. There's this internal peace whereby it's not for everyone, it's for special ones, for those who only born again, ukuthi whereby mina now singa drive imoto, but for me ngine peace nalento enginayo. And as well, we always saying we are not alone because we are with Christ. Ngingahlala nawo la Mr. Skim, but does not mean ukuthi mina if nginonkulunkulu wena ungenayo unkulunkulu, I'm not alone. But you might see ugifta yedwa, but the main truth ukuthi angikho ngedwa. Ngagibela nawe itaxi, but I'm not alone. But sisonke etaxini, sihamba sonke etaxini, sibhadala imali efanayo, but into ebalekile ukuthi mina nginomuntu oseduze kwami who always make sure ukuthi anything happen in my life kuba ne peace empilweni yami. Pains, ama pains azoba there, azoba khona, angeke sithi angeke kube khona ama pains, angeke zithi imizima angeke zibe khona. Challenges will be there, but the main thing ukuthi even challenges are there, ngine peace. Kuyokuba ne COVID-19, abantu they were struggling, but the different ukuthi noma ikhona i-COVID-19, because thina sinonkulunkulu and we are born again, i-peace iba khona. And asilikhuluma iqiniso Mr. Skim, people who are not born again abanayo peace. Like it or not, might be pretending ukuthi bane peace, but peace you cannot, wangeke uyithole ngaphandle to be born again. Yes, because there's many things, there's many places that we can consider singazikhetha just suggest ukuthi hamba lapha, but ekugcineni i-peace ayikho. But kulesi kuyo thina i-peace ikhona anytime, kubhlungu kumnandi kubad, i-peace ihlala ikhona.
The peace that surpasses man's understanding.
Yes.
So kukhona umuntu khona ngiyamuzwa laphana emuva laphana uthi lalela mina ngihamba nezithunywa, mina ngihamba nezinyanya zami, mina ngihamba nabakithi. So nami I'm at peace with myself because wherever I go, omunye uzunama boys nani. So what would be your response to that? Because when obviously uphila eqinisweni, you are saying, look, mina ngathola ukukhanya. And when I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. That is why when you walk by faith, not by sight. But there's someone who says, no, the sight. I see. And I know for a fact, man khuluma nabo bayaresponda bakithi ngihamba nabo.
Mr. Skim, unfortunately mina ngine different understanding about that. Ngizothi lo muntu akahambi nezithunywa zakhe. Instead uhamba namashado wezithunywa zakhe. Abantu they become proud with fakes. Actually kunabantu abayitshela ukuthi banezithunywa, akusiyithunywa zabo leziya, ama fake wezithunywa zabo abahamba nazo. Those boys are the fakes. Abanye bathi banamadlozi. Amadlozi are the fakes from your families. Is not mean ukuthi amadlozi wakho babo wakho, because there are many reasons I can ask ukuthi umuntu azothi umama uyagodola. Umama ngimncwabile that time ngamfakela iblanket phezulu kwegasket, still uyabuya futhi ukuthiwa uyagodola. So those things are the fake pretending to become our own families. No, iqiniso liyafuneka Mr. Skim, because angithi it's whereby we need to understand ezinye izinto, because into esithatha like normal, but people baya struggle ngama fakes akhona emhlabeni, like ithunywa, like many things, you know. Angikhathalekile ukuthi abantu bangathini, but iqiniso lithi they are going with fakes, bahamba nama fakes. Those are the copycats, because ngisho ukuthi Mr. Skim umama wakho meke kuthanda, angeke ukuthi sekashonile bese abuya kujikela. But the fake of your mom izokujikela ibuya ithi gift angisakuthandi 1 2 3. Mina ngalahlekelwa umama, and I know my mother ubengithanda kakhulu. Anytime, like even now uma ngimcabanga ismile sakhe asiphume lo enhlizweni nami ubangithanda, but I'm sure uma ngahamba kulo nezithunywa because unama fake, he will try to get ifake kama mama again. Angitshela ukuthi umama uyagodola, umama uthi ngimflathela. Ungiflathela yini? Umama makamflathelanga. Into engiflathela ile fake kama wami. Yeah, so there's no peace there. You can't have a peace with fake, and where there's fake there is an original, end of the day. So abantu bangabi confused ngama fakes. People, they should not be confused ukuthi athi ithunywa amadlozi into, all these things are fake. Nebhayibheli yasho ukuthi uSaul into wayenza mistake ngayo kuyo consulta wayovusa ifake, hence uNkulunkulu wasuka phezulu koSaul wagibela phezulu koDavid. So people, they are proud with fakes that they have and think ukuthi we have an original. Those are the fakes. Ubona the way bahlupheka ngakhona, rituals that need to be done, izinto eziningi okufanele zenzeke, what ama cost abawenzayo ukuthi there's no peace there. People, they are busy fitting ama fakes instead of originals, which the original ukuthi umuntu azazi ukuthi I only have God. Unkulunkulu, there is no need to spend all this money abanazo uchitha igazi uchithele emathuneni instead ukuthi kuthathwe lenyama kudliwa abantu. There are many people abadinga imali, there are baningi ingane esidinga university, but we take imali so sacrifice kuma fake esinawo. So those are fakes, Mr. Skim.
Yes. Now I don't want to take away anything from what you're saying, but a lot of people I know, they are going to take offense. But you had said when I am not apologetical. I mean, this is the truth I know, and this is the only truth I will stick by. And if you wake me up at night, I'm going to tell you the same thing. I'm not going to delete daily.
Sure.
Let's maybe escalate now our topic, because I remember one time ben bambering amawashini abafundisi ba omunye ngapha omunye khuluma ubuzalwane nyokhuluma ephakameni uShembe. How did that come about? Because that episode trended big time, Mr. Gift. I'm going to also put the link on the comment section below so that abantu ngibari direct to your channel.
Yes.
So what was the topic about kahle kahle lapha, and maybe your understanding and ekugcineni conviction, because ekugcineni mele sazi ukuthi kuyina iPirates or Kaizer Chiefs. No umhlaba behlukene lapha kwakushubile kulela room omnye bazama ukunderstandisana. Maybe just bring us into confidence. What was going on there?
Yes. Before we go there, I think Mr. Skim, I will say ukuthi the truth always go with an offense. No matter whoever being offended, it's the truth. Nami, I'm talking this based on experience. My father bega isangoma, you know, Baba bega isangoma, and he was at St. John's and everything. So actually, I was supposed to take a position kababwam, but ngomuse ngawuthola azange ngisalandela indlela ubaba me ahambe ngayo, because ukuthi if ukuya ngefamily kababa wami kunendlu engangeni, Mr. Skim, they are waiting for gift to get there, because I was the only one owathi ubaba fanele azo take over isikhwama. So I'm one of person I ran away for isikhwama. I know what I'm talking about. Maybe umunye uzothi how gift izwe ebantwini le uyibukele TV, ngikhuluma based of experience ukuthi if it was not Christ, I was going to be isangoma. Bengizofaka izinto, bengizofaka ini. I even met some of other sangomas. Uma ngagqoka uniform, they will come to me and try to confirm whatever they wanna confirm. But the offense always will go with truth. Because I saw my father how he died. Ngabona ukuthi ukufa kwakhe, now I'm going to die the same way. And dying without peace as well, and dying without any. Today kunezimpi engilwayo because of my father. I'm not fighting izimpi zami manje, ngilwela ubaba wami spiritual. Kunabantu, because truth lithi abantu abadala abaningi babo bebathwalela izinto ezi unnecessary. Bathwalela ukulima, bathwalela ukutshala, bathwalela izilwane and stuff.
Lezi zinto
lesele nathi.
Dlala nabantwana.
You see so manje that's why ubona ukuthi manje sithi umsebenzi asiyitholi inabanye it's not about ukuthi ukhesiwe no izinto ezabazali bethu which for now they are not necessary cabanga uzothwalela ukuyotshala uthwalele ukufuya izimvu uthwalele ukuthi imbuzi zakho zingalahleki and stuff which are the truths which are not exposed sikhulumela kuma private so going to that Mr. Skim it's whereby I started channel ukuthiwa iGifted Media. iGifted Media started from my name actually from my name is Gift. So usually anytime I will minister in a podium people they will say this guy is gifted. Ngizongena ngumntana ngingene ngumfana but ngiphume ngubaba ekukulo esontweni to any church that are being ministered. So every time when I minister people they will come to me and they say Gift you are gifted. Gift you are gifted. Then I took the name Gifted ngayenza channel ngathi now it's a Gifted Media. Now I want to see what they were saying it's a Gifted. So actually uma ngiqala icontent ye Gifted Media I have a question special to the religions whereby I will not angeke ngithule most of them are fakes. I'm still saying it even now.
So abafundisi
no, I'm not saying abafundisi. Most of religions, I didn't mention which one.
Okay.
But I'm just saying most of religions are fakes.
Fake.
And also you, Mr. Skim, there are religions that you know are fakes. But because you were not loudly about it, you know. And even the one that was watching the unale religion ayazi ukuthi I fake, you know. Because it's more confusing because sometimes izinto esikhulumayo Mr. Skim after church sometimes isikhuluma umasikangene emamall sometimes isikhuluma mina ngathi no asistop ukusikhuluma after church lezinto asizilethe in the people and you talked about it because those are the religions we think they are deep but umthelela wazo zigcina zingena deep down without any understanding. So for example kunomuntu okhonza kaShembe today ngingambuza ukuthi why ukhonza kaShembe ukuthi ubaba uzalwe kaShembe. That is the only reason why ukhonza kaShembe ubaba uzalwe kaShembe umama uzalwe kaShembe ngathi mina ke asimbiza ubabakho sizomquestion ukuthi why ekhonza kaShembe so that wena uzoba ne understanding ukuthi why uShembe uvelaphi kunomuntu oyiChristian because ubaba uyiChristian and as well endlini beba amaKristu attend Sunday school bese naqeda lapho naye wagcina ethi uyiChristian kanti ukuthi uunda iumbrella yamaChristian into engiunderstandayo Mr. Skim ukuthi i-religion is personal. Noma i-belief is personal. Ayinakushare ukuthi we need to work hand in hand. So ngathi mina at least let's call the elders. Sibone ukuthi kumoshakalephi. Because nalama religion lawo akazwani enjalo. Ayabhifelana lama religion anjalo. Mina ngathi mina uGift one thing that I'm going to do I'm going to call all the religions. Le beef abanayo mabazoyikhuluma la sizwe le beef le abanayo because omunye umKristu and le beef le into ebuhlungu ngayo uzozwa ama video amaningi kaShembe akhuluma ngama Christians ukuthi abaKristu what in ngathi okay kusho ukuthi every time babekhuluma akeke amaKristu azoyiphendulela nawo amaKristu the same thing ana le beef abanayo futhi nabakaShembe banama beef Muslim banama beef all the religions bazikhuluma epulpit umfundisi aqine epulpit akhulume into ekhuluma ngoba bekho abanikazi bayo ngathi mina no angeke sikhulume into bangeke abanikazi bayo
kuhleba ukwakamuthasa leyo kuseba kaSuthu
sure
go deeper Gift go
so people but ireligion Mr. Skim isenza ukuthi siyahlebana njalo as much usho ukuthi omunye uzobhifa uHarmony umaka ekholwa kaShembe umaka nabanikazi bakaShembe abaKristu ayenza 1 2 3 amaKristu ayenza 2 ngathi asiyiqede lento le asibabiza abantu bakaShembe sibiza amaKristu sihlale nabo phansi nibhifelaphi ibeef yenu iqalephi why nizobhifelana because omunye uthi nikhonza uJesu omunye uthi ukhonza uNkulunkulu omunye uthi 1 2 3 ngiunderstand ukuthi okay the reason today sibe nale channel noma kuzoba nabo baba ababhifelana in a one time is because i generation yakudala ibingaquestion yonke into mayivela siyavuma uSkim makashaya ikhathi athi sonke ashayina amakhathi asiquestion ukuthi why usifuthi wasifaka amakhathi uHarmony uyavuma sengimbona ngekhathi ngoba why ubaba ufaka ikhathi uma nathi SN Studios uma ulo Mr Shudu athi asikhuliseni intshebe nami ngifaka intshebe angiyeke intshebe uMr Shudu uthanda ishort
is the voice of the house chief
athi asifake nama short angiquestion ukuthi why athi sifake nama short angazi ukuthi maybe yena uthi afaka ishort inyanga yakhe ithi ayifaka ishort every time you understand sonke sitholakala manje sifaka ama short without asking ukuthi why sifaka lezi zinto lezi mina ngathi no asiyekeleni lento ukuthi solo kwesihleba i generation yamanje Mr Skim we question everything So masinga question politics kuphela siyeke ireligion because most abomamethu today bayasaba bathi uJesu uyabuya nge-23 zika September because they don't question. They don't question. Bathi uJesu uyabuya nge-23 September. Babona ilanga ama scientists ashilo ukuthi ilanga vele lizoyenzani, lizoyenza 1-3 noma imuni izoyenza 1-3. But because of not questioning kunabomama bayohlala lapha ku Chris Network befaka amaduku bathi ngempela sinathi sibonile ephuphweni in ukuphupha ungaphupha ucabanga mina uyophupha mina kusasa uyothi ubonisiwe. Abantu baphupha amabhaluni phakathi bese bazothi uJesu ukhulumile wathi. You understand? So because of what lacking questioning as question thina abantu. So I think ukuthi this is the time whereby ngithi mina ugift I'm going to question those things. I even question nayo Enigma ngathi uma uEnigma I even call them ukuthi imikhovu kaEnigma because anything that they are saying uEnigma bayayithatha ukuthi uEnigma right uthe ufika ulo uzanele Mbokazi uyasho sogweni ngiyazibuza ngithi uzanele Mbokazi do you know how was a peaceful soul uzanele Mbokazi bekayiyo even though ukuthi kunezinto bekazenza who are you Enigma to say ulo uMbokazi umbone sogweni uye ngempela uMbokazi lo mbone sogweni noma aunt wakho we don't know so I think ukuthi it's a higher time Mr. Skim we need to question ama podcast wethu angabe ukuthi siyenza la for i-content kuphela but let brings light to the younger ones ukuthi lento ingakhulu
questions Ubra Chris does he does pose some critical questions the reason why that content was mostly publicized and he gained a lot of traction over time it's because of Chris Network. I respect a brother. He was very open and honest about it. Yes, abantu bacabanga ukuthi no when you want to ride on this wave and this guy omazinyai too uyazigulela. But one time I saw wish ukuthi ngathi ngahlangana hlalela uEnigma ugift ahlalela. Then abuza ukhuluma ngabantu abaningi not only uMamu Uzanele may so rest in peace. We had an interview now cause FM I flew down to Durban angibize ngale what a soul you know so and also kasisuthu bari lintswela mufu alitselwe abesuthu bayibelievela ngenye indlela once akukhulumile umuntu oshonile bakutshela ukuthi chief awusakhuluma ukuyangala so there are a lot of things engifuna ukuthi singene kuzo deeply but ke manje njengoba usayibambile ugibele kuyo ungakhohlwa ukuthi I wanna get the conviction, the verdict between le intshebe. Wena uhlanganisa intshebe manje. Ingenile iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates. So ngifuna ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi umzomnyama the Khosi kwagcina kuphelela laphi ke nangu ekuphakameni uShebe ngobuNazaretha and then ngapha we advocating for the Lord Jesus Christ. So igcine ithini lenkulumo?
Yes, so mara sibuye la kuEnigma.
Uyamfuna inika ngena kuye.
Asibuye kula kuEnigma.
Sinehora lonke.
Unfortunately uEnigma ngoba ufisa ukuthi sihlala phansi uEnigma kasahamba wonke ama podcast. Sekunama podcast strict. Uyayazi podcast afanele aye kuyo. Ingakho sithole kubomaweni. Uyayibona into sifana lezo. Angeke umthola na kuyiphi podcast uEnigma. Sekanama podcast aya kuwo.
But ngathi ne-derogatory term. Remember these people chief. Mina I hold them in high regard. Whether
Tholu Enigma.
All for wena naye.
Tholu Enigma maningi ama question enginayo lo ababa loya. Too much. Maningi I think ufunda ichapter yodwa lo ababa akafunda amanye ama verse. Usaphelele kuLevit Course phela kufanele siye naye kuGenesis siye naye kuRevelations sibona ukuthi but asibuyele kulezi intshebe Mr Skim
awuqedinga ngayo Enigma ngene kune phambi ufuna uyaddressa yakhe
I think ukuthi before sibuyela kuEnigma sibuyele kulezi intshebe so then ngathi mina uma ngizoquestiona into I had to ukuthi ngihlale namaKristu kucala ngiwanika ispace sawo azikhulumela amaKristu ngiyawazi amaKristu akhuluma ekhohla nokuthi camera ikhona ngimbuza nama question esiwakhulumayo behind the scene akhuluma amaKristu asho ukuthi lento akashemba yikho sabano futhi one of the great men ubaba Umbatha is one of the generation yabo baba uGumbi nabo Bishop baningi abanye most of those like most of those pastors futhi laba baziwayo they are under most of them he's older than them ngahlala naye utata sakhuluma I think ukukhuluma uqala kwethu ukukhuluma ngambona ukuthi utata uneqiniso eliningi which abafundisi bayalisaba iqiniso lakhona balijikajikisa ngapha wasenza ukuthi wangipha more questions ukuthi ngiziquestion because abafundisi bafaka impurampura abanye bafaka ama ring kodwa abashadanga bathi abo bishop but ubishop kuthiwa kufanele ashadile uyabona into esifana nalezo so ngacabanga ukuthi ngambiza utata sakhuluma ngamaKristu ukuthi what amaKristu fanele abe yiyo fanele senze njani then after that sabuya sathinta ama religions ngambuza ukuthi ama religions and what washo ukuthi into akashemba yikho but mina ngithi angifuni ukuthi sithi ayikho into akashembe bangekho abanikazi abakhonza kaShembe, you know, because this is fair ukuthi I'm a Christians. I think ukuthi uma ngizokhuluma nami ngizokhuluma bathi ngibias, uyabo, which Christian you always they will say you bias and what ngathi asibabize sihlale nabo phansi. Siyaba no, I think one of the great men obuya vele kwaShembe phaka deep down, uRev Mpanza. I think Rev Mpanza contacted to me, reached out towards me and say, young man, we see your podcast and we are really inspired. And I'm so blessed, Mr. Skim is one of the youngest host podcast that is mostly matured, you know. I know there are some that matured, but this is one of the youngest hosts with hosting most of the great men like you, Mr. Skim, one day, you know. So I'm saying ukuthi ngababiza abantu abaningi ngahlala nabo phansi and then sakhuluma ukuthi ibeef icalephi. Bayakhuluma abantu ukuthi okay, into iqale ukuthi abantu bakaShembe basebenzisa iBhayibheli kodwa iBhayibheli bathi bona iBhayibheli labelungu most wabo, and abanye yaqala ibeef ukuthi bathi unyazi lo khona namhlanje ubathiwa uNkulunkulu. Bathe nakuthiwa uNkulunkulu asibizeni ke sicaleni phansi, why nithi uNkulunkulu? Bechaza izitori ezingekho, most of them ezinye bathi zikhona which there is no evidence, because I believe ukuthi emhlabeni ama-science or ama-journalist, they're always looking forward to kumane something bayayibhala phansi. I-Gifted Media today, most of ama-journalists, they were writing down ukuthi hayi kune-debate 1 2 3 1 2 3, but izinto abazikhuluma most abantu bakaShembe azikho, akukho la sibhalwe khona phansi. Sabuya futhi safunda isihlabelelo, I read isihlabelelo ngasifunda so that nami ngibe ne-understanding ukuthi uma sibuza asibuzeni kusayidel, so ngathola ukuthi kunokuklashana phakathi, which iwo yakhona Mr. Skim na today ayikapheli, still isa continue le whole day. Kusenabantu bakaShembe bezayo because ke saba ne debate sakhuluma no Babu Nyambos, and then most of them they were blaming me ukuthi hayi Babu Nyambos was not fair enough. Bambiza ngale buhleni nabasho bafika bamvala uBabu Nyambos ukuthi hayi ungasayi kulomfana, lo mfana uvela ukufaka phakathi emgodini
uyachitha lo mfana
ngathi hayi lo mfana ungasayi kuye, ngathi hawu sebayambalekisa manje because uBabu Nyambos I think i-attitude ubekanayo most wayo iyabapresenta abantu bakaShembe most of, because the way he was strict is the way benaba ngifonela bathi Gift ubhizi ufonela lo ubhizi uvumela ukuthi abantu beklashe into kaShembe in 1 2 3 1 2 3. Abanye they used to pretend as ama lawyer wakaShembe, bangifonele bathi hey sengamaloya uposta iphathe ethizeni lapha yana sizokusuwa in 1 2 3. ngathi hayi if nizongisuwa ningisuwela iqiniso ningisuwela into ekhona, wozani nizongisuwa abafethu most of ukuthi bahlala eDurban, abanye bathi basegoli, ngathi hayi wozani ngizonika i-address nizeni la ngihlala khona, ngithi niyakwazi ukusuwa and what because they are most abantu bamaNazaretha Mr. Skim they tried ukuthi bayicishe i-channel ka-Gifted Media, but I think the most bathi bayihlisha is the most iphakama, you know, because ayicalanga ukuliswa abantu bakaShembe kuphela, even amaKristu bayilisile ilo i-channel ye-Gifted Media, especially uma icala because yaqala in the meantime kwaba yaqala ngeqiniso kuphela, ama-Thanksgiving angekho, uyabona into esifana nalezo izinto eziningi whereby angiquestionanga inkolo yamaNazaretha kuphela, ngiquestionena khona la kumaKristu ukuthi kunezinto eziningi ezintroduciwe asizazi thina uma sisibheka embhalweni azikho.
Ungakhohlwa singene kuzo ke uzo explain indaba ye tithe, yabona we explain also futhi indaba kaMfundisi. Kunabantu ababelievela kakhulu kuMfundisi, kuke kube khona inkonzo nje Thanksgiving yakaMfundisi, uyayithola, and then nabafundisi mhlamba abangashadile abangashadanga bakhulekela abantu or ba ama marriage counselor balokhu bangashadanga, so there are a lot of things which are loose balls, uyabo, kuwe wona i-church yabazalwane, uyayithola, then kube abazalwane mara sebaze banejoyina abanye bane uniform, so all of those things ngiyafisa ngathi ungahlanganisa endaweni e1 sikhona ukuunderstand ukuthi you understanding with the free will offering, amashaya itafula and then ama tithing, you understand,
yes.
10% so that abantu ba understand ukuthi no we are well balancing it, ngoba mabaqala bay underline bazothola iclip e1 ekhuluma ngase kuphakameni, then bese bathi hey no scheme now ngathi khondona le and mina obviously the views are my views ga Gift, and I have to press you so that you balance the conversation yakho, bese uya substantiate ukuthi why are you saying what you are saying, and I'm also going to extend obviously invitation to any member osephakameni ofeel ukuthi no mina ngine right ukuthi ngibe ngikhuluma, ngeke abantu abayi 2 million balandele unyazi
True.
then wena ufike wena uzokhuluma kanje ngereligion so ngamanye amagama bangalwa babebovu abantu akusuyi one kuneGrootman yami engihlonipayo ngaloba Makhanya I know uvela ngena
ngimhostile naye kwaMakhanya
uyinkinga uvela ngena uyinkinga ushakwa sane la whether you taxi violence whether in ukukhuluma ngayo yonke into but back to lama questions I5 ebengiwabuza ukuthi how do we address these ones siqala ngabazalwane so thina ngapha
sesibuyele singene ngapha ekhaya so I think before ngicala ukuwaphendula I think ngisho reason ukuthi why sibe nalama problems wonke afana nalawo bafethu ngumfundisi nami ucoba lingcoli ngibamba icamera lapha ya but ucobo lwami angeke luzolingcole most of young pastors they fail to work bafuna ukusetshenzelo hence today sinema services amaningi angekho unnecessary kufanele singabe sicitha isikhathi kuthiwa senzele umfundisi ucobo alingcoli Mr Scheme noma ngathatha iharafu noma ngalungisa imoto noma ngaba neoil ianointing yami angeke izingcole so most of all these things esinazo is because of Tina, most of the young pastors with a gift we don't want to work sifuna ukuhlala njena ngifaka insuthu yami ngibe ngirelax but ngibese ngithi yonke into God will provide ukuprovide ngobani ngamandla kabani la provide ngawo ubani ufanele ajuluke ukuze uNkulunkulu aprovide wena because most lento in the name of full time ministry yamanyala most of them they have become full time ministers because they don't want to work there are people kunabantu before sithi they are in a full time ministry we need to ukuthi sibheke ukuthi why ku full time ministry uyini ekwenza ukuthi ku full time ministry angeke umuntu esothi ukopela ubaba Bishop Gumbu usebenzile ubaba Gumbu ukuthi today azoba yi full time ministry usebenzile ubaba uRalhulela ukuthi namhlanje sithi uyi full time ngiyavuka mina ngigift ngimncane kangaka ngithi ngiku full time ministry uNkulunkulu ngibizele ukuthi ngibe ku full time ministry yonke lento bese ngasasebenzi hence uthola intanga zami today zirobha bogogo bethu na umama bethu kuthiwa in the name of ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu ngibizile kanti uNkulunkulu makubizile ukuphena ezandla kanti izandla ezani ezokusebenza why manje uNkulunkulu ekubizela ukuthi uzokhuluma ngomlomo kodwa izandla zakho zirelax sesibuye lapho kuma services la okhuluma ngawo Mr Scheme asiqale kule yokushada number 1 akekho ubishop ozothi ubishop angashadanga kusho iBhayibheli kanjalo ibishop kuthiwa kufanele ishade futhi ingasoleki but batholakala nama ring esingazi ukuthi oweCult noma awase Bible school because wonke acishe yafana hence today angeke sazi ukuthi yase Bible school noma yeCult most of bishop ongashadanga ozothi ubishop ngifuna eze la ku scheme angitshela ukuthi mina ngubishop ongashadanga ngimbuza ukuthi mina yiliphi lelo verse elikuvumela ukuthi wena ube ubishop because wonke ubishop oshadile kufanele yenzeni kufanele kube umuntu oshadile futhi ongasoleki lisho njalo iBhayibheli ukuthi ezo bishop because yes wonke lama rings esekakhona singawazi ukuthi owani la amanye amehlo amanye ama diamond inini asisiquestion lezi zinto Mr Scheme abanye baba hamba babeka izandla babekwa yinyoka ezidla ezandleni umbuzo ukuthi umfana omhle kangaka usindwa iring engaka esingayazi ukuthi eyani omunye uzothi ijewelry yena but le ring njalo mekufanele athandazela abantu fanele ivele ebantwini eyani le ring enayo thusa enye isipoko uyasibona ukuthi simile singaka la uyabona ukuthi inkunzi malanga isipoko but uphethe umoya engcwele uthi uhamba noNkulunkulu umuphi noNkulunkulu othusayo ngathi ufevela ipirate ufaka into engaka la esandleni uzothi hey mina ngumfundisi ngubishop ngini so I think ukuthi ziningi izinto esingazikhoshini Mr Scheme zigcwele kunempurampura esingasazazi ukuthi yizangoma noma abafundisi uma beyigcokile because they always confusing us ukuthi uma besifaka lezi zinto lezi thina bo gift kufanele sibheke nje sihleke umfundisi wethu umfundisi ask question izinto ezifana nalezo but la singene ngine umfundisi singene endumbeni kuyafana akusana mehluko but uma ka sesontweni umfundisi ushaya izangoma but nasesontweni sokucishe yonke into epulpit icishe iyafana nezangoma amanye ama pulpit ayathusa Mr Scheme mina buza mina ngambile ngayishumayela endaweni eziningi amanye ama pulpit kuthiwa ama altar ngathi amabhokisi omncwabo amanye ngathi ama altar wamandiya amanye ama pulpit ayathusa amanye ama pulpit uthi ukubheka ubona ukuthi labo mama basanikeli ngoba bethanda bethuswa yingubo kamfundisi bathuswa iring kamfundisi bathuswa izicathulo zakhe bathuswa ibhandi amanye amabhandi icover la ongazisisi ukuthi yini lenkunzi malanga ayifake la imali vele ikhiphe yonke imali ayifaka umama kuthiwa umama uyanikela bathi unikela inhliziyo mayivuma cha umama uthukiwe ngalento umfundisi ayifakile umama uthukiwe ngale mpurampura umfundisi ayifakile uvele. So I think ukuthi ziningi izinto Mr Skim ezi-introduciwe ku-religion ezingaquestionwa even today. Baphatha induku abamfundisi kuthiwa induku kaMose. Phatha kaMose bekayishaya phansi iphenduke ebe inyoka. But le yakhe noma ingawa iyoziphuke. Le yakhe noma ingenzani siyoze siyidobhe. But we don't question those things. Ukuthi mfundisi why kukanje nakanje. Uma beze la kuwe Skim bazozi advertise abasitshela amaqiniso. Uzotshela ukuthi yena uphilisa abantu abayingakhi in asifuni lokho sifuna ukwazi ukuthi why umfundisi I1 to 3 why kuphathwa into kanje why abantu bethandazelwa amatswayi why today ama oil azothandazelwa abantu abenezitika zebuso babafundisi but wakaJesu bengana sticker sika Jesu but wanamhlanje uthola bhalwe morning water anointing water gifted media or gift mabunda here prophetic water uyabona ukuthi lento na uthi uyabheka lamafutha wena Mr Skim uma uye Shoprite ungawathenga nge25 rand kodwa uma bami uyathola nge250 iprofit engaka yenzile lo muntu if beka ibusinessman ngabe uthethe lezi zinto wayoyithengisela ngaphandle uthatha ukuthi simoshe into enhle kangaka okuya kaNkulunkulu so I think ukuthi into eziningi Mr Skim is question hence today as ukhuluma ngale ukuthi there are many things ofanele ezikhona today is because most of people like they call them servants of God abasebenzi ngibuye futhi la ngithi we need to understand what is a servant Mr Skim igama elithi servant lisho ukuthi uyaseva but laba namhlanje bona abasevayo ukujuluka into esimple uthatha indwangu uyayisula sekunabantu ofanele bafike kuye bazokusula into esimple common sense into zama basics
amabhera la
amabhera bangakuphathela iBhayibheli kodwa kunezinye izinto Mr Skim uyazibona ukuthi zi unnecessary especially when you minister the voice of God
kule subject amabhera le kunomyosisi lapha bathi uyanda une issue ngamabhera labantu abangena abakhokhobe emva kamfundisi athi hayi labo baba yiyo abazwisisi kahle no unokungena kwezinye indawo ubona ukuthi no this is too much
true
kwezinye indawo uyabona ukuthi lento ayehlisa isithunzi ubaba indoda mara makungena kwenye indawo uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu nobufaro kahle hle the way baseva ngakhona akusasilo yomsevo lo vele ngathi kunento engekho right khona into off la
Mr Skim that's why most wala amabhera bazobadlela abafazi abafundisi babo cabanga uyindoda wena uzohamba uyoba isoyo senye indoda imagine uyindoda ubaba womuzi uyahamba uyoba isiyo senye indoda
ayizashaya abafundisi
no ngikhuluma ngala kuthiwa most angithi uyasho ukuthi kunalabo aba right but kunala siwabona ukuthi isiyoyoyo ke lesi sebhera ubona ukuthi lesi isiyoyoyo noma ukuthi umfundisi uyale noma ngasuza ngiyasho ukuthi uyofika emuva yomvihla ukuthi singezwe ukuthi umfundisi kamoshile because lento Mr Skim yonke into ene original ine fake yayo phakathi kwayo ezinye izinto because siyaziyekela sithule ziyakhula lezi zinto Mr Skim kusasa uzobona kuyoba nenkunzi malanga esingazazi ukuthi zicale kanje zicale khona la because we don't question as a young generation asiba question abafundisi because yonke into abayikhulumayo I right uyebo amen kuvaliwe kunjalo akusakhulunywa ukuthi waye kusona kusabuza ukuthi umfundisi wayuthandazela abantu uyenze kanje ayibuzwa lento Mr Skim mina ngikhala ngento yodwa ukuthi why don't we question those things ezenzakalayo emasontweni so uma uzoba uthiwa ibhere kufanele ibe nelimit angeke umuntu ekhapha ezokhapha nase toilet ukhumulisa ibruku kuthiwa ianointing that's why namhlanje kuthiwa abantu badliswa inyoka badliswa inini iyoyoyo lezi zinto ukuthi uzovumela yonke into in the name of uNkulunkulu uzongimpacta in asingadlali ngoNkulunkulu bafowethu igcobo lungaka likaNkulunkulu siyolibeka ku-capacity yomuntu sithi hayi umuntu ngoba anointed yonke into ayenzayo wena kufanele uvume ngiyazi abanye bazothi rebellious gift I'm not rebellious I'm serving as well but ngine limit la ngiseva khona ngiyaseva ku under uBishop Faith Mazisi lapha eMayilula they know abantu ngiyamseva uBishop but ngine limit na unaye uBishop engimsevayo because akathanda ukwenza abantu iziyoyo akangifundisanga because ayenye into bayabafundisa laba through in the name of preaching ukuthi na ku man of God kufanele simsabe bazokucamba manga ngoElijah noElisha but hey ngoba uElijah wayeseva uElisha hey kwenzeka 1 2 3 babiza bonke yonke le nto le because abafundisi today bafuna ukusabwa they substitute God basaba uNkulunkulu ngokwabo buningi babo they want to substitute and once Mr Skim uNkulunkulu usathane efuna ukukuyisa uyakuyeka nemali zakho zonke once you substitute iposition kaNkulunkulu sokuphelile ngawe into yaceda usathane ukuthi wayefuna ukusubstitute uNkulunkulu emhlabeni kusho ukuthi ngamagama uma usubstitute isikhundla sikaNkulunkulu usomunye uLucifer omncane ukuthi abakutsheli usuLucifer khona la emhlabeni because you trying to substitute God so wonke lezi zinto zibalayo because people they try to substitute iposition kabani kaNkulunkulu hence today kunabantu abayenza iyoyoyo noSathane wayithi nakafika la wafuna ukwenza abathi yoyoyo zakhe in the name ukuthi bayamseva ngoba uyingeloze enkulu eworshiphayo ngathola ukuthi manje seka substitute uNkulunkulu wathi uNkulunkulu angihlali nabantu abakanje iyaphansi ngoba angeke Mr Skim kusibe nabo uNkulunkulu ababili fanele kucaca ukuthi ubani omunye uNkulunkulu
asikhuluma ngama bodyguard bra gift
yes
yeah because sesiyangakhona but asikhuluma ngama bodyguard what is your view on abafundisi and then kunabantu uyapreacha bame la stage kunento eziningi ezenzakalayo uyayibona nje nawe uyaphuthunywa hlale kunesiphithiphithi nyana but umfundisi uyashumela but kunabantu abamile la what's your view on that
okay endabeni yama bodyguard I think ukuthi kukayi2 uma uyi bodyguard abanye banama bodyguard ngoba banamacala noma banama enemy ngaphandle because abanye iface kuba umfundisi but beside uba umfundisi kunescam ebhizi ngaso ngaphandle so anytime abantu bamazi khona ukuthi bayomthola lapha eShield of Faith kufanele ayenze sure ukuthi uarmed because labantu ebasukele during the week bangafika anytime bese kuba nalo onama bodyguard maybe because of na iqiniso sometimes liyakufaka enkingeni Mr Skim uthola ukuthi umfundisi opreachayo iqiniso abantu uyabona manje omunye angafuna ukupreach isibhame preachele mina ukuthi ngisikhulumele izinto engiyipreachile so uma ngikhona ukuthi nginemali nami ngathi awuthi ngibize mase 2 abantu ngibasondeze lapha phambi kwami ukuthi benande bebheka icoast but nginale believe ukuthi Mr Skim uNkulunkulu uyamgcina umuntu wakhe and uyamprotect one thing about God uNkulunkulu uyamprotect ngaba nje inkunzi esontweni mina Mr Skim ngishumayela angazi ukuthi bebathunyelwa ubani labantu but ngisho ukuthi bebazi ukuthi ugift yobe khona lapha I remember very well uma ngiya I think it was 8:30 zafika ibhame ezi2 zaqhuma esiwansashaya epulpit ngathola ukuthi immediately uma sekwenzeka le yanto ngathola ukuthi zonke zaya phansi one thing I know igebengu mazingene emasontweni sicala ngumfundisi obekame epulpit but uNkulunkulu waba nomusa lo muntu wayengihostile wadla phansi wabaleka sele ngiyi1 congregation into bayithatha lakhe bathatha amafoni bathatha amabheke bathatha imali kuphela so I know ukuthi sometimes ukuthi iqiniso liyakufaka sometimes enkingeni umuntu likufaka enkingeni ukuthi because usikhuluma ecilo but mina ngazi nginalento ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaprotect ungiprotectile ngibanjwe kayi2 inkunzi esontweni preaching different churches kayi2 esontweni bafika abantu bepreach ibhamba bathi bayangena lapha esontweni bathi bazowenza 1 2 3 1 2 3 but because God can protect eyos2 lo uma yenzeka zange bayithatha ifoni but yokuqala bangena bayithatha ifoni but nginalento ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaprotect because if bekhona into bebayenza ngabe basidubulile labantu labaya ngabe ikhona into abayenza but because bekungana bodyguard bekunganamuntu onesibhamu in so ngizothi ukuba nama bodyguard esontweni kukayi2 abanye because of ama enemy abanayo emasayidini but abanye is because leqiniso abanalo yilo lebenza ukuthi sometimes bagcine banani babe nama bodyguard mina ngizo advise ukuthi in case kulelo case leyo ngathi wonke umfundisi ngaba nesibhamu namhlanje because ngathi lale igebengu zigalela kakhulu emasontweni kulamalanga ngathi ngingajabula lapha ku Facebook ukuthiwa umunye lapha eMpumalanga wayengenile kwelinye isonto umfundisi wasidedela kwashaya uyi1 umfana abanye babaleka so I think kule mina ngizothi kubafundisi abaningi ngathi bangazama ukuthi nabo i-security yabo because nale yoyo eziyigebengu ngaphandle ziyathanda ukudlalela emasontweni because bacabanga ukuthi esontweni kunezinye iyoyo so I think ukuthi kule ama bodyguard kukayi2 kufanele ube nereason ecavile ukuthi why une reason yama bodyguard like for example uMax Makhanya ucabanga ukuthi angahamba neBodyguard because that guy usikhulumela amaqiniso wakhe so abanye bamzondela amaqiniso and sure uma ungathi uyamsondela ikhona into ozoyithola ku Mr Max Makhanya so I think ukuthi sometimes iqiniso liyakufaka enkingeni sometimes iqiniso liyakulwisa nabantu so kuya ngokuthi umfundisi uma kana bodyguard kuya ngokuthi yena uyiphi reason anayo kuma bodyguard angiyiboni inkinga ama bodyguard Mr Skim
okay asike sikhulume sesivala le yale yabo bishop
yes
ithini i5fold ministry about ubu bishop because angithi uyazi ukuthi silatin so I want to understand in the 5fold ministry uappear kuphi bishop lapha
Bishop okay yeah Mr Skim ngathi le question ikudala unayo
yakudaka ngiyabona yaku
yeah because uBishop I think it's not a calling actually abantu bangenza mistake ukuthiwa umuntu azothi uBishop I prophesy you Mr Skim I see you as a bishop no iBishop I calling osidecidela yona wena self iBhayibheli lithi uma ufuna ukuba uBishop uma you want to be a bishop fanele umeet ama requirements thizeni bese na uqeda lapho uma uqeda ukwamitha lama requirements lawo usungavumeleka ukuthi ube yini ube ubishop so sorry, I think ukuba ubishop Mr Scheme calling esiyibone ngathi inkulu because ama scams wayo maningi.
Highest office.
Yes, but it's not a high office ukuba ubishop. It's a normal office because ngokuya ngokuNkulunkulu there is no higher office than anything. Umvangeli, umprofeti, uteacher, umfundisi yonke into iyafana phambi kwamehlo kaNkulunkulu. It's even worse, uNkulunkulu akasazi ngaba bishop, usazi ngegama. Umeke ngibiza uthi gift, akathi prophet gift, akathi evangelist gift, akathi apostle gift, ungibiza ngegama. So
what qualifies one to be a bishop then, Gift?
So kufanele iverse lelo Mr Scheme, iverse okuthiwa kufanele ushade. You know, you need ukuthi ushade, kufanele ungasoleki. Futhi kufanele ibishop ifana nomuntu oshadayo, uma uzoshada kuthiwa ukhona yini lapha phakathi kwethu before simshadisa niyamvumela ukuthi ngempela ngashada lo. Bese uma unenkinga umuntu ephakamisa isandla. Uthi amagama uma ubishop kufanele ungasoleki, kufanele ungenze 3. Then ngibuya ngibe confused manje ngalezi zinto esezikhona namhlanje. Kuno archbishop angimazi archbishop Mr Scheme, angifuni ucaba manga. Yeah, I don't know ukuthi research yami ukuthi angicedelanga yonke. But archbishop ngilifundile iBhayibheli angimtholanga archbishop mina. Uchief apostle Mr Scheme angikaze ngihlangane naye. Angifuni ucamba because maningi nawo lama calling esihlangana nawo. Aswazi major angimazi major prophet eBhayibhelini mina. Obani laba sekakhona because people I don't know ukuthi yini leseyikhona noma in the name of fashion because ilento ukuthi Mr Scheme abantu bayasaba ukusebenza. Sifuna ukusatshwa Mr Scheme. Singabafundisa ugift ngoba ngugift nje ngibona ngathi ngilula kakhulu. Uma ngathi wa chief apostle gift ngicabanga ukuthi nanithi chief uqala nangibeka unkosi uqala nathi apostle nabuya nathi gift sengibizwa amagama ayi3 ngi1 ngicabanga ukuthi manje seniyangisaba nabantu anything engisho yamanga iqiniso nizoyivuma. So Mr Scheme mina ama titles amaningi angiwazi.
Let's talk about the colors because there is a purple color, for instance.
Okay.
It is seen as a bishop color.
Yes.
Young tall. So is there any specific color? Because ngiyabona ziyahluka ezinye zinephambano ezinye zinama njengobusho nawo. Mawungazibheka futhi ezamanye amabandla. I want to mention ama churches that is abantu bayawazi liyafika manje le church engikhuluma ngalo. We njengobusho ukuthi okay kokunye kubu-major ngapha nani but le impura ihlukile awusazithole ze graduation lezo bishop lezo rezana. Lama colors lawa who comes up with the colors, who decides? Is there any body that regulates lento? Uyakhumbula South Africa ikhona into ephethe different faiths and denominations.
Sure.
That body mawungathi uhambile wadlisa abantu ama-retex mele uyohlala subject to this body. So is there anything like that? Ikhona indlela futhi yokuphikisa to say look asiunderstand lento ukuthi ufike kanjani. Ubishop mhlambe umuntu ekumele aserve for 40 years, for 30 years, for 10 years, for 5 years. Le amakhala abuyaphi lamakhala?
Mr Scheme, I think ngiyayithanda le question yakho because ihambelana nalento ye-Bible College because most of them mangibabuza bathi hayi i-Bible College bafundise khona. Ngiyacela kubafundisi abakhona especially abancane. Ngathi nabathi study to show yourself approved. Ngathi ngathola ne-certificate ze-engineering. Ngathi nami ngina certificate se-media ngoba ngenza i-media. So singathi start to show you yourself approved siyofunda i-theology kuphela. Angisho ukuthi wrong i-theology bafethu but ngiyacela kubafethu asiye esikolweni siyofunda nezinyo mechanical engineering asithole abo-doctor sithole inini. Ungabe o-doctor kuphela be-theology abakithi sesinabo baningi. Ake sithole nabo bo-doctor abanye abazothi u-doctor we-teaching u-doctor what but sizokuthiwa umfundisi because every time esontweni abathi nakuno-doctor abanibani sekuyi-theology kuphela akasekho kuthiwa maybe uno-doctor we-science and what yeah. So I think kuleyo question oyishoyo ngithola ithuba lokuthi ngikhuthaza abafowethu ukuthi asiyeni esikolweni bafundisi asambeni siyofunda. Incwadi ayikho evil, incwadi ibalekile, incwadi ayinasono, ukufunda akusisona isono. Angeke njalo si-introduce udokotela oyedwa we-theology, asinayo udokotela weinyawo, asinayo udokotela 1-1 njalo udokotela we-theology bonke unawuthiwa udoktor abantwana ungaze ujabule ukuthi udokotela uyeza la ekhaya na ufike uthi na une-PhD yani ye-theology bonke bawela ku-theology, bonke bawela ku-theology. And ngithanda ukusho lento Scheme siya kule yamakhalasi ukuthi i-theology awuyenzeli ukuyoyishumayela ngaphandle. I-theology is to equip yourself, uzikhulisa wena because manje kunokuxhomelana la ema-pulpit umuntu ayibona ngathi wazi iBhayibheli kakhulu kanti i-theology iyenzela ukuthi uyishape wena self. Uma sesime epulpit ufanele uyokhuluma izwi likaNkulunkulu not uyositshela abobani bani abo-Jesus what lama wonke lama process wonke ama-method ukuthi wena uzi-equipe. Uma uzizwa equipped ufunda iBhayibheli uyopha abantu iBhayibheli izwi likaNkulunkulu linjalo because abanye banokuconfuse. Ingakho today iikem eziningi akusabafundisi. Angathi nala ama-Bible College before accept umuntu ngathi angamhlola kuqala ukuthi ngempela ubiziwe yini lo because la kungena noma yini, kungena nomuntu ongathi umfundisi pure uyangena uyofunda i-theology ubuya ngapha ezothusela abogogo bethu nge-theology ngoba nabogogo bayazi i-theology but hayi izwi likaNkulunkulu go deeper man of God kanti lo muntu ukhuluma incwadi efana ne-social science ayifundile lapha eBible College. So sibuyele kule amasheti Mr Scheme, I think ukuthi abafundisi mabalikhuluma iqiniso mina amakhalasi abawagcoka anginankinga nawo but mabasho ukuthi bawagcokela ubuhle bangasho ukuthi bawagcokela iholy and what asishoni ukuthi uma ulifakile lipurple liyakufanele nami ngiyalicabanga lipurple Mr Skim ngathi lizongifanele i-t-shirt elipurple abantu mabalikhuluma iqiniso ukuthi uma begcoka amakhalasi it's not about anything spiritual attached with the spiritual nothing attached with the Holy Ghost nothing umoya engcwele akahloniphi i-t-shirt lo muntu Mr Skim umoya engcwele uhlonipha inhliziyo yomuntu not le t-shirt abalikhuluma iqiniso ukuthi nabawafaka mina ngibabonile abafanele abafundisi yabona lama t-shirt apurple naleli pink nami ngiyalifuna Mr Skim naleli limnyama liyabafanela abafundisi nalama color ayabafanela balikhuluma iqiniso ukuthi kungathiwa manje kunento attach nomoya engcwele hey Holy Ghost size sithuke ukuthi ugcotshwe kakhulu no cha I think ukuthi ama t-shirt abafundisi amabakhuluma iqiniso ukugcokela ini ukuthi ube muhle phela nawe ubukeka muhle nawe umfundisi angithi na usiye esikoleni kune uniform yakho ukuthi na uyigcoka awuyigcokela ukuthi uhlaniphe kunezinye izingane but ugcokela ukuthi sibone ukuthi ufunda lapha ethanda ulwazi ufunda lapha nesithutho liseti ufunda lapha eAbraham Mhlophe singathi thina ngoba sengifakela amakhalasi lawa bese ngithi hey mina ngigcotshwe kakhulu iyafana nale shit engigcokile le studio bandla alikho elingcono kunelinye i-t-shirt wonke ama t-shirt uPastor Shuda angafaka i-t-shirt lakhe ulo Mr Karaba fake lakhe umemu naye fake ilo i-t-shirt lakhe so akekho omunye ozothi hayi ngoba wena wazi kakhulu ngapha ini cha ama t-shirt mina angeke ngize ngiwashaye ungizwa kahle Mr Skim I don't against ama t-shirt ngine against in mind emuva kwama t-shirt ukuthi manje uma kungene lo we t-shirt elipurple noma efike late kufanele azohlaliswa phambili kushiftiswa mina ugift ngoba ngicogela i-casual nami ngumfundisi phela kufanele ngihlale phambili angeke nizongishiftisa lapha phambili because manje semncwabeni because abafundisi bana le tendency yokufika late asikhulume yenye into kufanele siyiquestion leyo Mr Skim angikhumbula uJesu kuthiwa wafika late ulindiwe ibandla lakhe sengifika late nami ukhushu manje sengizome pulpit
main act umfundisi ungena ama curtain raiser cala ungena vele
sekangena manje sekangena Mr Skim sesiyasukumiswa kufanele sithandaze manje la sithandazile thandaza ama worshipers umeke efike ebamba imic ngathi soqalela phansi inkonzo yoqala phansi sesiyoqala nini service ngoba umfundisi ngabe uqala sicala nathi service waqhubeka nathi at least manje sesithandazile in senza yonke into uyafika umfundisi ubamba imic uzoqala ngengoma abuye athandaze futhi abuye futhi eshumayele buye futhi ethandaze kunabantu abasebenza ngesikhathi today but ngothi yena ufike late it's all about men of God this day it's no longer about Christ it's all about me it's about all things it's about who gift this who gift that hey ubaba what and this and that so I think ukuthi Mr Skim indaba yokugcoka mina ngizothi abafundisi uma bengathi bayigcoka but kunokugcoka okunye mfundisi wena Mr Skim sesiyakuquestiona ke manje akagcoka umfundisi abukeke ukuthi umfundisi angabukeki manje ngathi sangoma because funa ukudifferentiate la ukuthi kunesangoma kunomfundisi you understand so abanye ngathi cishe bayafana khona phakathi nongathatha umfundisi thizeni umfake la nesangoma thizeni awuyabona ukuthi labantu cishe bayafana la phakathi but uma bengapha nangapha bayabhifelana labantu
asike sikhulume ngalento iBhayibheli likhuluma kakhulu ukuthi one kulabafundisi mhlambi sex before marriage is a sin so indaba yocansi it has become isiqalekiso ingathi isithixo ebantwini and bayakutshela ukuthi most powerful men even the men of God abayebawo bawiswe ile ndaba yebele indaba yalomoya so ngifuna ukuthi holistically ukuyivala le ndaba ye sex and why ivame kakhulu esontweni ukuhlukana kwalo phakathi kusuke kunento ngaphakathi ebuyibe ne sex why has it taken over ngalendlela lenkanuko abasakwazi ukutuba umzimba because ngifuna sifocus kakhulu kini bazalwane manje khona phakathi lapho ukuthi iza njani lento le why is it very important for people or mhlambi body count iye countayo kwingqondo yakho ubona kahle ukuthi hayi mangilele nabangaka or ngithatha amandla abo labantu or in why kune sex ngaphakathi entweni enalenkolelo
Mr Skim ngisabuya futhi ukuthi into enzakalayo thina abazalwane so called abazalwane sinalento ukuthi asiyala ukuvuma ukuthi baba ngiyahluleka into eshaya thina siyala ukuvuma it's always about me siyala ukusho ukuthi emfethu ngiyabambeka because kune nature like imi engadingi iverse le nature uma ifika udingeka something uyabona into efana nale so I think thina singabazalwane esikhathini esiningi asivume ukuthi sivume ukuthi hey ngiyahluleka mfowethu kufanele ngenze sona so that's why today ingane eziningi ziyamitha emasontweni kuthiwa hey umfundisi umithise 10 ayi1 esontweni uyayiqeda ingane because umfundisi ubukeka whole every time. Akukho la umfundisi efika azehlisa khona esho ukuthi uyahluleka. Akukho la umfundisi abayingane khona esho ukuthi hey iskate siyangihlula khona ukusiza khona uma ngingakhuluma iskema ngeke ungisize. Ukuze ungisize kufanele ngisho ukuthi Mr Skim yazi ibhathu lami liyaphela lapha endlini bese nawe uyakhona ukungibhekelela ukuthi hayi maybe singahlanganisa ukuthize ukuthi ngithole ibhathu. Ayikho into ebhlungu njengomzalwane ongakhulumi yonke into yakhe kufanele ibonakale 100%. Yonke into yakhe kufanele ibonakale perfect. Kanti ku sikhohle ukuthi nala ezweni kaNkuluNkulu akufuneka abantu abaperfect. uJesu akabadinga abantu abaperfect. uNkulunkulu akadinga ama 100% perfect. uNkulunkulu udinga abantu abafuna ukubayenzani ukuthi babe perfect. But because of every time my appearance need to be perfect, nala bengafanele ngibukeke ngiperfect khona kufanele ngisho ukuthi hey yazi iskate siyangihlula. Ayi ngisizeni bafowethu ngenze 1 2 3. Number 2, abazali bethu abafuna ukukhuluma iqiniso emasontweni and abazali bethu bayawafihla amanyala bawaprotect amanyala. Umfundisi uyamithisa uma eceda ukumithisa ingane emithisile ihlaliswa phansi kuthiwa iwonile kufanele ihlambuluke. Umfundisi eqhubeke eshumayela akasuspend umfundisi kodwa ingane yabantu. Ayi le ngiyayithanda ke Mr Skim. Awuthi ngisho lento ibingozi into yokulala nomfundisi ngoba umfundisi ugcotshiwe awulali naye kuphela kodwa ulala nogqobo futhi lakhe. Ingakho uma uqeda ukulala nomfundisi yonke into yakhe ayisahambi kahle. Yonke like ilineup yakho yonke noma uthi uzama umshado abaningi ababanjwanga into eningi uba nje ugqobo lo mfundisi ngoba lo muntu iqiniso ukuthi abafundisi babiziwe Mr Skim. Asikhulume nje iqiniso. Abafundisi kuze bomfundisi ubiziwe. Imagine umuntu obizwe uNkulunkulu yolala naye. Umuntu obizwe uNkulunkulu. Awuthi amagama ulale nomuntu kaNkulunkulu walala futhi nento uNkulunkulu ayibeke phezukwakhe okugqobo elikaNkulunkulu. And ugqobo uma uqeda ukulala naye kuzoba mnandi kuphele. Maybe ama Siemens nizowafaka phakathi kweplastic okuyicondom. But ugqobo lihamba nawe liyakulandela. Lelo olele nalo lapha emfihlakalweni. Ngathi ngayisho lento ukuthi into ebhlungu ngayo Mr Skim ingane eziningi ayishadi namhlanje. Inkinga ayikho iningi. Ulele nogqobo lo muntu loyo without any agreement. Ulele nogqobo kungekho anything okusho ukuthi le ngoba sisho ukuthi sex before marriage yonke lento le. Ngibuye la futhi ngisho ukuthi endabeni yesex I think ukuthi nasingathi bheka iBible from Genesis kuya kuMalachi lapha incwadini ezinceke eziningi oDavid bagibela phezulu kophahla balala nosifazana kaUriya baningi nje izinceke kuSolomon kuthiwa wayena 700 wama prostitute. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi every second kuthi beyishaya ikhipha land out bihlala njalo ibhizu. Imagine ngiyazibuza nangathiwa ngempela somthola because sometimes sithanda ukubhosta sithi ya mina uDavid naye wena amakhosikazi amaningi abantu bafuna ukuphasa isithembu wena amakhosikazi. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi abanye bathi uSolomon ini usho ukuthi uzomthola uSolomon le ezulwini now ubhekile wena because enye into bayisibuza ukuthi labantu abaphilile asabashela umuntu esimazi ukuthi ufikile ezulwini esikhathini esiningi I think uLazaro abesa esine proof ukuthi wow basibonisa ilo picture yakhe efike ezulwini. But hey amajita amaningi asikho sho oDavid so sinesho ngemisebenzi yabo but asina sho ukuthi ngabe uma sifika ngale sizobathola yini aboDavid. Yebo kuhle bayasinspire bambulela uGoliath bayenza 1 2 3 Samson nje udliwa amathanga kade la unesho ukuthi uyomthola ngale or uyomthola ebasa ngale sogweni because ezinye izinto asithi siyabajaja but kufanele sometimes siquestion izinto ezifana nalezi because abantu benza amanyala in the name of other people weakness eBhayibhelini izinto eziright abakhulumi ngazo. Umuntu meke ufuna uthatha isithembu umuze khotha uDavid athi ya uDavid ngabuza enye into ngathiwa why abantu begcotshwa befaka amafutha wonke umuntu wagijimela kuDavid uDavid wayengagcotshela uba umpostoli wayegcotshela uba inkosi uyinkosi wena usufaka amafutha phezulu. So I think ukuthi izinto eziningi Mr Skim abantu bayala ukulivuma iqiniso and alivuma umuntu ukuthi emfethu ngiyahluleka. Uma engasho ukuthi mina ngiyahluleka like for example le camera leya uma kuna something ungayazi ngihlala ngihleka abantu mina umuntu efuna ukuthinta icamera engayazi efike lapha yathinta 1 2 3 yabuya athi icimile ubuyithintelana ungayibuzanga because if ubuzile ecaleni washo ukuthi ngiyahluleka into ekanje ngiyazi bengiyofika ngihlale phansi ngithi mfethu lento ekanje iyenzewa 1 2 3 mina because ngifundele nginolwazi lwayo. Asibuzeni nathi kubantu abadala ukuthi sometimes ezinye izinto ukuze zingabe nama unnecessary communications ungabe unnecessary scandals hlala phansi nomuntu Mr Skim wena udlulile entweni esifana nalezi Ngiyahluleka ukwenza 1 2 3. Amantombazana uma ngiwabona iyavuka lento angazi ngenze kanjani. And lento ukuthi mayivuka noma ngathi ngiyathandaza iqhubeka ivuke more. Yini into engayiyenza Mr Scheme? Maybe uyasho ukuthi mfethu kufanele sihlanganise amasente. Asiyekelele le tendency okwenza ngathi umshado iringi lele okhulunywa ngala lapha le iringi lichip kabi. Uyalithola lapha nge50 rand lapha mall. Uthola iringi, uthola uyokhulumisana nomndeni kwenziwe something kunonto ekuthiwa ukuvela uyabo. Kunezinto ongaziyenza nje ezi fast uchop ukuthi ubone ukuthi uyahluleka. Khuluma always uma izinto singadonetheli wena njalo uma ukuthi uphethwe icancer. Ake sidonethele umuntu othi ngiyahluleka esontweni. Ngifuna ukuba nonkosikazi ngiyahluleka nabazalwane bavuma ukuthi ngempela ushilo ukuthi uyahluleka. Uma ehlulekile singamnaki uzobuya kithi khona la ethinte wona ama virgin wala isontweni. So I think ngizocindezela ukuthi Mr Scheme asithintele lento ukuthi singabafundisi we are not perfect and we need ukuthi sisho uma into isihlula. Uma nginobaba wami ngeke ngizokhuluma nobaba wami ngathi ngikhuluma nomfundisi. Baba makasiyena umfundisi. Fanele ngikhuluma naye ngikhuluma into ejulile phakathi. Uyazi lo uba uNkulunkulu wangipha ubaba wesithuko ku uncle wami. Shout out to him uAndris Mawisa. Always uma ngihlala nalela time ngihlala naye phansi asikhuluma iBhayibheli uyalazi. Uzolithinta 1 2 3 1 2 3 sikhuluma into eyiserious lapho. Sikhuluma ilife hayi into ukuthi mina ilife azange ngifunde esikolweni azange ngifunde encwadini azange ngifunde kuphi ngayifunda kubababo njalo uma ngihamba naye endleleni ubezongitshela athi mfana wami nawenza 1 2 3 hey kubi la ngaphandle uyabona lo muntu esongembone yellow bone ngaphakathi kunento ayifihlile ingculazi so we always bekahlala ngi-encourage and njalo uma ngiyakuye bengahabi in a tendency being a pastor ngangihamba in a tendency to be a son. Abafundisi abaningi kufanele behle babe amadodana namadodakazi ukuze benzeni basizeke and sivume ukuthi senzeni sonile manje and sivume ukuthi ngiyahluleka ukuze lento ama sex before marriage ibilula kabi umshado ucheap hayi ucheap umshado.
Umshado chief uyadura bra gift South Africa
ubukwa lokho kudurayo Mr Scheme umke sifuna ukubukwa sifuna ama Mercedes Benz sifuna ama Lamborghini sifuna yonke lento le but umshado mina ubona ngabe uzibaba mina la shade khona ngishone cameraman bengekho but today ngoba sifuna ukubukwa umshado ubukeka manje ngathi uyadura and in so umshado uyafana ne funeral yama president kulamalanga yonke into kufanele ifane yonke into kufanele ibe nokucwebezela phakathi and what so umshado siubeka kule tendency ukuthi yonke into iyadura kanti umshado wawusimple hamba uyoma first mina nginabelungu bami abashaba zange baye uthiwa kukhishwa imali kwenza 1 2 3 1 2 3 uyokutshela umlungu wami engalobolanga uPastor Shuda zangalobola uPastor Shuda simple uthola umuntu ohambelana naye but ushadile is called married so I think ukushada le gama lithi amalobolo nalo esinye iskema kufanele siye kuso wena Mr Scheme ukuthi
next episode
amasiko lawa esiwaphilayo bese singabafundisa uma sema pulpit sithi hey isiko alifuneki isinto asikho right but amalobola eBhayibhelini masiya isiko lomuntu thizene eBhayibhelini leya esiligcinayo ngoba silibuka lilihle bese sithi amalobolo inini sesiyawashaya uma sema pulpit manje ukuthi amasiko singaye entabeni but amasiko amalobolo isiko ilobola I'm telling you it's not uJesu wathi silobola isiko lalenziwa eBhayibhelini esiligcinile namhlanje
You know, I can listen to Pastor Gift. You are gifted indeed. The whole day. Yabona manje ngizoyibamba kanje ngiyayibreaka ne. I am sure ukuthi khona olandelayo manje uzothi next. Ulalela after episode. There are a lot of things. Kuzoba ne commotion, kuyoba nenkulumo mpikiswano. So let's run to the comment section. That was Gift bazalwane. So niphathe kahle ke nasemakhaya nizwile. So ngizoyivula ke chapter elandelayo ku episode number 2 eyomshado. Singene nje kuyi bese sigcila kakhulu kule ndaba yocansi because abantu ababhaya abakhona ukuqhubeka abantu babophekile ngalento kwesinye isikhathi bayibiza ukuthi ama soul ties so I want people to learn not only ukuthi siyakhuluma and we are venting but we really want people to be ushered into God's governance ngendlela proper ke until the next episode that's how we wrap it up keep well and stay blessed.